Hi, I'm Jem from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. Today, I'm going to talk about Huawei HealthKit. So, let's get started. HealthKit is an open Huawei Health ecosystem platform. Developers can use the open capabilities provided by Huawei Health. Huawei Health is committed to building a unified fitness and health data platform and meeting users' digital health requirements by teaming up with software and hardware ecosystem partners. The Huawei Health platform consists of the Huawei Health app and Huawei HealthKit. The app ecosystem in the fitness and health field is normalized into HealthKit. The unified SDK is used and user authorization experience is also unified. All open capabilities of HiHealth app are integrated into HealthKit for unified provisioning. With Huawei TrueSleep 2.0 algorithm, HealthKit records sleep status accurately, identifies 6 categories of sleep issues, and can offer more than 200 personalized sleep suggestions. With real-time heart rate measured by the Huawei TrueScene 3.5 algorithm, it screens for arrhythmia, providing an accuracy of up to 97.8%, monitors the heart rate around the clock and sends alarms when the heart rate is too high, supports heart rate monitoring during swimming and measures blood oxygen saturation. With stress monitoring measured by the Huawei TrueRelax 1.0 algorithm, it quantitatively evaluates the state of psychological stress based on HRV. Also instructs the user to adjust their breathing rhythm to relieve the stress. Before we start, we must do these steps. Register a Huawei ID on the Huawei Developers website, then create an app, configure the app information, and enable the Huawei HealthKit service on the Huawei Developers console. Create a project with Android Studio IDE and configure the SDK on which Huawei HealthKit depends. Implement Huawei HealthKit API calling and debugging by referring to the development guide. After integrating Huawei HMS Core capabilities, you need to apply for the HealthKit service. The preparations are as follows. Click HealthKit in the development section and then click Apply for HealthKit. Select the data access permissions that must be applied for the product and submit the permission application. Provide the application information via email. It normally takes 1 or 2 working days for the approval process of an application involving data types other than restricted ones to finish. Wait until the application is approved. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, HiHealth, Happy Sports, utils, hihealthsetup.java. At the code of login, the code implements login verification. A login window will display if the user is not yet logged in. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, HiHealth, Happy Sports, utils, hihealthsetup.java. At the code of authorization, the code requests all authorizations. The demo would gather the set of all authorizations. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, HiHealth, Happy Sports, vModels, hihealthbaseadapter, hihealthbaseadapter.java. Add the code of client instantiation. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, HiHealth, Happy Sports, vModels, hihealthbaseadapter, hihealthbaseadapter.java. Add the code of listener registration. The code fetches the step count data from the sensor by registering a listener, and the data will be called back via mListener. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, HiHealth, Happy Sport, vModels, hihealthbaseadapter, hihealthbaseadapter.java. Add the code of listener initialization. The real-time data will be called back. Open the Java file from the following directory: app, source, main, java, com, Huawei, CodeLabs, High Health, Happy Sport, View Models, High Health Base Adapter, High Health Base Adapter.java. Add the code of listener on registration. To get more detailed information on the previously mentioned topics, you can follow our other training videos as well as the documents provided on our official Huawei webpage. Thank you all for watching. We hope to see you in other trainings.